Finally made it to South America, my last continent, the last permanently habitated. I'm in Santiago, the capital city of Chile. Today, meeting a friend, getting a rental car, and going to check out some other parts of Chile. Okay, we've arrived at our first stop on the road trip. Cool, little surf hostel in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna get all checked in and then suit up and go surfing. Got some solid surfing in. Now it's time to leave the coast and head to the mountains. Rolled into the town of Pucón last night. Now we got up early so we can go hike that volcano. Looks like we might not be going up today. There's a big cloud of sand on top. It's the weather, nothing we can do. So the volcano did not work out this morning. Change of plans, now we're gonna go check out a hot springs.